How to use Gmail offline mode to manage emails without internet. What is Gmail offline mode? How to enable Gmail's offline mode? Managing emails in offline mode. What if you could check emails and draft replies even without an internet connection? With Gmail's offline mode, you can. This feature lets you access your inbox, read message, and compose email that will be sent once you are back online. What is Gmail offline mode? Gmail offline modes allows you to access, read, and manage your emails even when you don't have an internet connection. Instead of being completely cut off from your inbox, you can continue working as if you were online, and any emails you compose will be stored in an outbox folders and sent automatically once your device reconnect. This feature is especially useful when traveling, working in areas with unstable internet, or during unexpected network outage. Email offline your recent email, so you can still search for message, open attachment, and even respond to emails without disruption. How to enable Gmail offline mode? To enable Gmail offline mode, you will need to use Google Chrome, as it does not work in other browsers or incognito modes. Start by opening Gmail in Chrome on your computer by visiting mails.google.com. In the top right corner, tap the setting icon. A quick settings panel will appear on the right. Tap see all setting to open the full setting page. From the list of tabs at the top, select offline. Make sure the enable offline mails option is checked. Once enabled, you can adjust setting like how many days of emails to sync. Gmail will store these messages on your device, letting you access them without an internet connection. You will also see how much storage is being used and can choose whether to keep or remove offline data when you log out. After setting your preference, save the change. If you plan to use Gmail offline frequently, bookmarking mails.google.com in Chrome can make access easier. Create a bookmark for offline access. A bookmark is the best way to reach Gmail when you are offline. To create a bookmark, go to your inbox and press Ctrl plus D. Managing emails in offline mode. Once email offline mode is enabled, you can continue handling emails almost as if you were offline. You can open Gmail in Chrome and access your inbox. Search for past emails, read messages, and even compose replies. The only difference is that emails you send won't be delivered immediately. They will be stored in a new outbox folder and automatically sent once your device reconnect to the internet. Searching for emails in offline modes work efficiently because Gmail stores message on your device. However, it is the important to remember that only emails from the selected sync period, such as the last 7 or 30 or 90 days, will be available. If you need an older email that was not synced, you will have to wait until you are back offline online. Attachment are also affected when using Gmail offline mode. If an email was already linked with an attachment, you can view it without an internet connection. However, downloading new attachment or sending emails with large files will require waiting until connectivity is restored. To keep things organized, you can move emails to different folders, archive conversations, or even delete unwanted message. These change will still sync with your online Gmail account the next time you are connected. If you compose a new email, Gmail will notify you that it offline
ही का ऑफर है